Hey guys, please watch my video till end because the quality content which I will provide you in or less than 3 minutes will be priceless and very useful to you. It might change your life, so I don't think you will skip my video. So let's start the powerful video. What happens if you always eat avocados? Avocados do taste great, but you'll be happily surprised by what they can do for your heart, mind, and skin. Your cholesterol level goes down. Even though avocados have a bad image for being high in calories and fat. A half of an avocado has 113 calories and 10 grams of fat. Most of the fat they contain is healthy monounsaturated fat. Before starting the video, please do not forget to like, share, subscribe and press the bell icon for new interesting videos. The good fat raises the good HDL cholesterol in your body and lowers the bad LDL cholesterol. You can eat and drink better. Depending on how big it is, half of an avocado has just under 5 grams of fiber. Megan Ware, RDN, a nutritionist, says that eating avocado every day can help you avoid constipation and keep your stomach healthy. This high-fiber food will also make you feel fuller for longer. Adding slices of avocado to your toast, burger, or salad can help you feel full for up to 3 hours. You are safe from sickness and illness. WebMD says that avocados are a good source of B vitamins, which help protect against sickness and infection. They are also full of vitamins C and E and natural chemicals from plants that may help avoid cancer. Ware says that avocados may help avoid cataracts and macular degeneration because they have a lot of antioxidant phytochemicals like lutein and zeaxanthin. You'll get better sleep. Avocados not only taste good, but they also have a lot of magnesium in them. 19.5 milligrams for half an avocado, which is a nutrient that helps reduce stress, says nutritionist Elise Muselis. Make sure to wash the avocado before you eat it. You'll look healthy and beautiful. This amazing superfood also makes your skin glow, your eyes shine, and your hair look shiny. You'll be able to do more. If you usually don't eat food and you start eating avocado in the morning, you might find that you have a lot more energy. In one avocado, there are 4 grams of protein, 30 grams of fat, 13 grams of fiber, and 17 grams of carbs. All of these are energy-giving nutrients. Wells also says that avocado is very filling, which means that if you eat it for breakfast, you'll feel full for longer than if you didn't eat avocado. Your heart will get healthier. Adding avocado to your diet will help your heart in a direct way. This is because both the fiber and the healthy fats in avocados are linked to lowering LDL cholesterol. Keeping this bad cholesterol down keeps blood pressure from going up, which lowers the risk of heart disease and stroke. You might feel better about yourself. Food does affect how we feel and how healthy our minds are, for better or for worse. Avocados are one food that has been shown to help people with sadness. The natural fats in avocado help keep the brain healthy, and the potassium and magnesium in the fruit can help calm you down. As a low glycemic food, avocados also help keep blood sugar levels steady, which can avoid mood swings and energy levels that go up and down like a roller coaster. A good source of chemicals that fight inflammation and free radicals. Avocados are full of beneficial compounds, such as carotenoids, vitamin C, vitamin E, and phenolic compounds. They also have vitamins, minerals, healthy fats, and fiber. It has been shown that these chemicals have important antioxidant, neuroprotective, and heart protective effects. May help people stay at a healthy weight. Even though there are many things that affect weight, eating a healthy, balanced diet is probably the most important thing you can do to hit and keep a healthy weight, which is important for preventing disease. Avocados are high in calories, but they are also full of nutrients and help you feel full because they are high in fiber and good fats. Like, share, subscribe and comment.